Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we will continue our third lesson, more on Msword. Listen the class very carefully. Okay, tables. A table consists of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns create boxes called cells. Tables are often used to organize and present information. Table consists of row and columns. Many rows are columns. The intersection of rows and columns create boxes are called cells. You can see the table. Tables are often used to organize and present information. See, this red color box is called cell, and this side 1 2 3 4 5 SN number, that is called column. And we can see first row SN numbers, name, roll number, that is title boxes is called row. Remember that there are maybe one or more cells in a table. The boxes formed by the intersection of rows and columns are called cells. Again, I am repeating, there may be one or more cells in a table. The boxes formed by the intersection of rows and columns are called cells. You can see the picture also. Inserting table. How you can insert the table? The following steps are used to insert a table in Msword. Steps also is there. Picture also showing there. First step, click the insert tab. I'll show you this. Click the insert tab. Step 2, click step 2, click the table from the tables group. This is table from the table group. Step 3, select the number of the columns and rows by dragging the mouse over the small boxes. There is very small boxes are there. You can drag, and when you are dragging these boxes, automatically table will insert our workspace. Okay. This inserts a table with the specified number of columns and rows. The cursor is placed in the first cell. You can enter the text in the cells. To move from one cell to another, use the tab or arrow keys. To move one cells to another, tab or arrow keys. Okay. Computer manners. Always protect your computer from the short circuit to avoid electricity hazards. Okay. Now next part is very important, this box. Please note down, this is very important. And this one today's homework also. Learn it, this box notes. Okay, shortcut keys. So it's very important. I'll give you shortcut keys for using this box. First, Ctrl+N to create a blank document. Ctrl+O, open a file in current software program. Ctrl+A, select all text. Ctrl+B, change selected text to be bold. I already given quick steps. That same thing only this. All the quick steps are there in this box. You can learn. Bold, Ctrl+B. Ctrl+I, italics, change selected text in italics. Ctrl+U, underline, italics, bold, select all text, open a file, create a new blank document, save current document, control of open, find current document or window, control plus K, insert hyperlink, copy is control C, paste control V, cut control plus X, control Z, undo, Y, control Y, redo, control P, print, shift plus home, highlights from current position to beginning of line, shift plus end, highlight from current position to end of line, shift plus del, cut select item, alt plus F, file menu option current program, alt T, edit option current program, alt tab, switch between open programs, alt F4, close the currently active program. Very important this. Okay. Print preview. Before you print your document, you have the options to preview the final outcome before sending to the printer. Okay, if you want to taking printouts your work, first you can, before the printout you can see the preview, is your matter is correct or not. That's why we are using print preview options. You can use the print preview menu item on the file menu to do this. File menu item on the file menu to do this. Preview menu. You can use the print preview menu item on the file menu to do this. And printing. To print your documents, select the print menu item on the file menu. Okay, you will be the option to select your printer, the number of copies you record and other options before printing. First you will give how many papers we need printouts, that also you can give before the printing. Thesaurus. If you are trying to find just the right word, the thesaurus provide synonyms for any words you have to written. Thesaurus in a book, software program, online service that provide alternative or similar word to be an example. For example, search for brave may return synonymous to courageous, daring, fearless, bold and unknown, like cowardly. Thesaurus software tool included with word processor that provide synonyms for selected word or command. Using the Microsoft Word, you can open a thesaurus by the highlighting the word they want to look up, pressing the shortcut Shift key plus F7. Recap. There are two parts of ribbon, tabs and groups. We may select any text by using mouse. Also, formatting refers to changing and arranging text in a document, make it attractive. The look and shape of letters of the text is called font. The size of the letters of text is called font size. Undo refers cancelling command earlier. Redo means reverse undo. The way in which text is placed is called alignment. The way in which a text is placed in a page is called alignment. We may give different colors to our text. This is our recap. And highlighting the word want to look up, pressing the shortcut key Shift plus F7. And this thesaurus software tool included with some word processor that provide synonymous for selected word command. Can select the word command using Microsoft Word, highlighting the word. Okay children, today's class over. You can read your lessons carefully. Your lesson finished. Exercise parts I will give you next class. And two words to remember are there: justify, align. Justify to arrange both edges of line straight. Align to arrange the data in correct position. This is your homework. You can learn it and write in your copy. Today's class over. Thank you. Learn the lesson, read the lesson, and stay at home. Have a nice day.